Hi Visbajit, how are you?
Hi, hello, brother. I am fine. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I am also fine. Thank you for asking.
And first of all, thank you to invite me on your channel.
No, no, like it's my pleasure. So yeah, I was looking for someone with whom I can practice of English.
Uh,
Because I am a YouTuber. So have you checked my channel?
no, not yet. After this conversation, I am going to check. Send me the link, and after that, I will check.
Yeah, yeah. When I will upload this video, I'll share the link of that video so that you can watch.
Yeah, yeah, definitely,
So
definitely.
first of all, I would like to first of all, I would want to ask like, can I upload this video on my YouTube channel?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, yeah.
You
Thank
can
you.
upload.
So this Pujit ji, just I want to know, could you tell me something about yourself in brief?
Yeah, my name is Bishwajit Gop, and I am from Tripura, which
Okay,
is which is located northeast part of India.
okay,
Yeah, and by
yeah,
profession, I do job somewhere as a driver, and I am also a YouTuber. I have also YouTube channel.
okay. That's great. Like you are working as a professional, so you are a driver, a driver. So may I know like why you are learning English? Because
No, there
you
is
are a
no specific reason. Yeah, there is no
okay.
specific reason. Actually, I think nowadays English became a part of our life. That is why we all should learn English. If we can learn English well, then we can have lot of opportunities in our life. not
Yes,
only
exactly.
financial not only financial. If you want to communicate with other countries people, okay, then also English is required. And in this way,
Yes,
lots of things are there. If you can speak English well, then you can do your own work very smoothly.
yes, yes, exactly. So, like, when did you get to know about the importance of English? Because earlier I got to know about the importance of English, like when I was looking for a job, when I was studying. So I had no idea about this thing. Like we should learn English. English is needed for our career, for our job. When we appear in front of interviewer, so interviewer will start asking the question. So then I got to know like English is very important for me, and yeah, it is affecting to my career as well, because when we appear, so interviewer will start asking the question in English. So I had done my study in Hindi medium, so I
uh,
faced a lot of problem earlier times. So now I am learning English as still I am
yeah,
improving.
okay, okay.
When
Yes,
did you
actually,
get to know?
I also, yeah. Yeah, it is actually from the very beginning. I wanted to learn English. I wanted to speak English, but there was no such type of environment, and there was no such type of like facilities. And after then, when I realized 2 years back, I am using internet. I am using mobile,
Okay.
so I can use this thing for my spoken English. And then I started
Yes.
learning, and then I started watching English content, and after that, I started making conversation. So in this way, I have been doing this for 2 years, and I have
Okay,
started
that's
my
great.
channel. Yeah, I have started my YouTube channel 7 months ago. Uh,
Okay. Okay,
yeah.
so what was the reason to start this YouTube channel in order to improve your English? Like you can upload some videos related to
Yes.
English,
Yes.
or there was any specific reason to create YouTube channel?
No. No. There is no other specific reason actually. As I am also learning English, so I
Yes.
know the struggle and
Yes,
difficulties.
yes, exactly.
So that is why I thought if I can help anyone by my
Yes.
videos and by my channel, so
Yes.
it will be good for them. That is why I started this thing, this YouTube channel, and as well as I am also learning. So uh, I I want my viewers to learn together.
Yes, yes, exactly. So I think YouTube is a good platform to learn English. Like
Yeah,
when we are learning English, so we can choose YouTube. Like we can upload some videos. So when we work on YouTube, most of the people want to upload some videos on YouTube. So if we are
yeah,
uploading, so we can be more focus on learning English.
yeah,
We will think I have to upload this I have to upload a video on YouTube channel, and if your content is related to English, so it would be very helpful for people who are uploading the videos on YouTube. So it's
yeah.
a great platform.
Yes, yes. So, if I talk about your journey, okay, when did you start your journey? Journey
Yeah,
means learning English. As you mentioned, you are from Hindi medium school, and
yes,
you faced difficulties while facing interview, while appearing interview. So, when did you start learning English, spoken English?
yes. So I started learning English 2 years ago. I was looking for a job in BPO call center. You know BPO
Okay,
call center, where we handle the calls of customers
okay,
and what customers are facing the problems. So, uh, I had no idea about the English English. So I went to a company to give my interview. So um, when I was sitting in front of interviewer, so he or she started asking the question in English. So I got shocked. Interviewer is speaking in English. So I got stuck. Like I tried to speak in English, but I had no idea about the importance. Yes, since childhood, like when I was studying, my grammar was good. But
okay,
when it comes to speaking in English, I was not able to speak a little bit. Even I had no idea about the introduction, like how to introduce yourself. So
okay,
after
okay,
that, I got to know English is very important. After some times, like I got a job in Hindi process, like Hindi call center,
okay,
where there was no needed of English. Just they checked my the meaning of English. Like they
communication. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
give me a sentence, and after that, he asked me what is the meaning of this paragraph in Hindi. So then I got selected after doing uh, this job. I came to my home, I started searching a coaching where I can practice, like where I can take admission. So in my
Okay,
area, there is no coaching for learning English.
okay,
So then I started practicing through social media like YouTube. After some times, I got to know about an application that named is Joe's Skills app. So
okay,
apart from this, I used a lot of application that is available on Play Store, uh,
okay,
which is free of cost. We can use it without
okay,
paying any money. So I
okay.
started learning this. So in
Oh,
this
that's
way,
great.
I am practicing of English.
Okay,
Yeah, still I
okay.
am learning English.
Okay, okay. So I think we should not make our video too lengthy.
Yes, yes. So only we
Is not
will.
it?
So
So
could you tell me um, when we have to hang up this call?
yeah, I think now we can hang up because if you
Okay.
make video lengthy, then your viewers will be also bored. Okay, so try to
Oh,
make video 9, 10 minutes. So I think how many minutes it is, I cannot see here. You can see.
yes, yes. As I can say, it is showing 9 minutes. So if you are
Okay.
free, so can we talk for 3 or 4 minutes? For 4
Yeah,
minutes.
I can. Actually, what happened in between, I am getting lot of calls. So no problem.
Okay. Okay. So if you get any important call, then you can hang up. No issue.
So and I think it is enough. You can upload this, and later on we
Yeah,
will
yeah.
make
So
more videos. And yeah, after taking my call, if I have time, then I will call you. Okay. I would like to make a
yeah,
video with you.
yeah. Sure. So we will talk later. So
Yeah, yeah.
thank you for uh, thank you for coming here. So it's a great conversation.
Yes, of course, of course.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.